6, you're gonna wave off and pull it.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
How's it going?
Good.
What do you got going on here?
About to jump out of a plane.
Going skydiving. How you feeling about this?
I'm excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
So special occasion today, or just seemed like a good idea
Just
at the time?
woke up and said I want to skydive.
All right, here we are. So we're gonna hop in this airplane behind us. We're gonna go up 2.5 miles, hop out and see what happens.
All right.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Fun. All right, wheels are up. We are flying. We are climbing through 7,500 feet. We are halfway there. What are you thinking about?
Gonna see if I can see the traffic.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I'm ready to jump.
Just enjoying the ride. So you got any famous last words? Anything you want to tell your friends and family back home?
YOLO.
Alright, man, give me a big thumbs up. Let's have some fun. Alright, so we are all hooked up. Safety checks are done.
Man.
Got about 3 minutes to go. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Doing good.
Alright, let's have some fun. Alright, y'all guys, give me a big thumbs up. Oh, like this big jump.
Holy shit.
Down a little bit. That's how you stop it. All right,
Oh, man.
welcome back.
Oh, the ground feels weird now.
I know. So what'd you think?
That was awesome. 10 out of 10.
What went through your mind as soon as we left that airplane? You're not thinking about anything else, are
Nope.
you?
I'm just
No
like, oh, we're
problems you
going.
have
We're
matter.
going.
So what would you want to tell everybody back home that's never done anything like this before?
You have to.
Come live a little.
It's a once in a lifetime.
Definitely is.
Christ.
Glad you enjoyed it, man.
Yeah, I loved it.